Conference Agile Tour Vilnius 2011 took place in the beginning of October. Vilnius was one of the many cities where Agile Tour conferences were held throughout October and December. Agile Tour is a series of non-profit events and continues to be the biggest series of conferences on the Agile topic in the world. So, first of all, let's find out what Agile is all about.
Agile is it's a way of working that provides great benefits to the people who are doing the work and to customers. And it does it by removing a lot of the assumptions and prediction that we usually have when we try to do a big project. People like comfort and they like certainty, but when you do something big and complicated like software, there really isn't a lot of predictability. So instead of trying to invent a plan that will predict the future, we build software in short cycles, and that allows us to get results much quicker and learn faster.
So Agile is the way to work faster?
Well, instead of faster, actually, I prefer to say that Agile is a way of delivering software sooner. Faster kind of implies that if we just type faster, then everything will be better. But really, part of what we're trying to do is to figure out which parts should we not do, which processes should we not do, which features should we not do, and do only the most valuable parts. And if we do the most valuable parts, we can be done sooner, even if maybe we go a bit slower.
Agile Tour Vilnius 2011 had two parts. More than 120 IT professionals participated in the Scrum certifications and Agile trainings before and after the conference. The conference attracted more than 400 IT professionals who were anxious to listen to free keynotes by world-class Agile professionals from USA, Canada and Netherlands, together with 15 more presentations given by Agile practitioners from Lithuania, Latvia, Ukraine, Great Britain and USA. Agile Tour attracts companies which care about improving company results and tries to satisfy their clients. These series are dedicated for all IT specialists, from programmers to IT unit managers. The main purpose for us organizers is to spread interest in Agile in Lithuania between people directly involved in IT sector. This is not the first time we are holding this event. Comparing this and previous year, we see the growth of interest. People like what we are doing, we see a real benefit and the companies do too. I really hope that in the next few years we will be ready to say, Lithuania is Agile. Lithuanians are usually careful about sharing useful information and exchanging valuable experience. Maybe this is the main reason why Agile is coming to Lithuania only now, while a lot of other world countries had already assessed benefits of Agile. The more you share, the more you learn. You can cover and hide out in your company, but then you stay behind the rest. If you are sharing your experiences, in return, you get your colleagues' experiences, points of view and advices. So you learn and grow. Many Lithuanian IT companies are working on offshore projects, so the value is obvious. If we use Agile methods right and deliver software faster, more foreign companies will buy projects from us or invest here to create their IT units. Therefore, we started creating this Agile Lithuania community, where we try to convince people to share their experiences in user groups and speak in conferences like this one. All the world around already realized this, best examples being open source projects or Wikipedia. To sum up, when we share, we all win. For those who understand and see the benefit of Agile, few advices from professional how you can get started.
There are many different ways to start. Some organizations start with a full-blown migration to Scrum, which is, according to some people, disruptive because it requires a change of roles, a change of the layout of the office, for example. So it is a big change for some organizations. Others say maybe you should start with Kanban, which is easier because it starts simply with a task board on which people move their work from left to right, and it does not require the change in jobs and office layouts, so it is easier to get started with.
Experts from all around the world graded Agile Tour in Lithuania as very informative and greatly organized event.
Very nicely organized professional conference where a lot of people that are local or from around the area can get interesting information at a low cost, and make sure that more and more people here learn about Agile. They have Agile tours in many countries, and I've been to a few, and I'm going to a few more. And this is definitely in that nice series of conferences that are really aimed at helping people who develop software learn more about how to do a good job.
Organizers are happy to see more and more sponsors joining Agile events in Lithuania. Their sponsorship allows to keep the conference at low cost while continually increasing the quality of it. Agile Tour Vilnius 2011 main sponsors were Adform, Microsoft and Prewise, together with friends eBros, Tieto, NetFrequency, Dataminer and Bentley Systems. If you want to know more about Agile Tour Vilnius 2011, find slides and video recordings of all presentations, please visit conference website agiletour.lt. Hope to see you all next year in Agile Tour Vilnius 2012.